Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're in Cancun and we're here for a relaxing holiday. I really wanted my parents to see this place as well because this place has the bluest water ever that I have seen, and I just wanted them also to see that. So we brought them here and we're staying at this place called the Royal Islander Resort. It is a really beautiful place, very big place, and I've stayed here before, so I really liked it, so I thought it would be nice to come here again. And this place also has its own private beach, so we don't have to step out of the resort to visit the beach. It's right there. Then there are a lot of activities happening at the resort, especially because it's raining, so they need to have some kind of activities here to engage people. We're also participating in a lot of these activities and having a lot of fun. And I thought I would take you through one of my days just to give you a glimpse of how we're relaxing and how this place is. I really enjoy beaches, and this is probably the best beach I have ever been to. So I thought I will take you through my day and just show you around. I'm going to start my day with a wholesome breakfast now, so let's go. Okay, so breakfast is done now and we're going to start our day. We don't have anything planned for today, and the weather also is a little dicey. It has been raining since morning and it has stopped now, but we don't know if that's going to be for the entire day or not, because yesterday also it was raining on and off, so we don't know. Let's see. I thought I should also give you a tour of the room, so that's what I'm going to do now. So outside our room you can see the lagoon over there, and this side is the beach, and this is the corridor, and here are the rooms. This is where you enter from, and as you enter you have the kitchen over here. It's a fully equipped kitchen with a cooktop, an oven, microwave, fridge, dishwasher. There are utensils in the cupboards. You can cook anything that you want to. There's everything over here. And then there's the living room, quite big space. There's a dining table which can seat up to 6 people, and a sofa set, and these two next to the TV are actually 2 extra beds in case you have more people to live in here in this room. They can easily be accommodated. And then you have this huge balcony with the view of the pool. You can easily sit here and enjoy the view of the sea and the entire resort. One day in the evening we also had dinner on this table. It was quite nice. And then this is bedroom number 1. This has a king size bed, and that's my husband there reading a book.
Nice view.
Yes, and enjoying the nice view of the beach. So you have the access to the balcony from here as well. And we're on the 7th floor, so you get a really nice view from up here. And this is the dressing area, that's the washroom, a little closet over here, and then we go to the second bedroom, which is over here, and it's basically identical to the other bedroom. It's not much of a difference from that room. This is the washroom, this is the closet, and this room has a small pantry over here with the fridge and basic appliances. And this room has two matrimonial size beds, and it has a smaller balcony, but the view is amazing. I really enjoy this view. I love to wake up to this view. I can sit here for hours looking at this view. It's so beautiful. So this resort has a convenience store, and I'm going to pick up a few things because we have a kitchen in our room, so we can get a few things and cook our meal. So I'm going there to pick up a few things, and I will show you around what they have. It's like a mini supermarket, so they have practically everything that a supermarket has, but it's just a smaller version of it. So it has finally stopped raining, and we have a small window to step out before it rains again. So we're planning to step out and go to some nearby places and just enjoy the city around and come back. Cancun has a very good bus network. So, and we get a bus right in front of our resort. So we're going to take that and just roam around a little in the nearby places and come back. I'm going to wrap up today's video over here. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. Share this video with all your friends, and let me know in the comments below if you have any questions about Cancun. I'd be happy to answer them. And I'll see you with a new video. Bye.